A viral skincare hack is taking over social media, where people claim that Vaseline can erase wrinkles overnight. But is this just another trend, or does it actually work? Let's find out. What causes wrinkles? Wrinkles appear due to collagen loss, sun exposure, dehydration, and aging. As we grow older, our skin produces less collagen and elastin, leading to fine lines and deeper wrinkles. 2. How does Vaseline work? Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, is an occlusive moisturizer, meaning it locks in moisture and prevents water loss from the skin. It can make wrinkles look less noticeable. While it doesn't add hydration on its own, it seals in moisture, making your skin appear plumper and smoother. Remember, this hack is going viral because people notice an instant glow and smoothness. But keep in mind, it's not an anti-aging miracle, but it can improve skin texture. For real wrinkle reduction, pair it with retinol, vitamin C, or peptides. So that is it from today's video. Try this viral Vaseline trick and let us know your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tasty truths.